Most men believe that they are carrying everything in a relation: the protection, the provision, the responsibility, the direction, everything else. And the women, they just turn out to be like showpieces who are not contributing anything into the relationship. And there was a comment by one guy who recently asked me, like, why should men do everything in a relationship? And in today's world, they are not wrong. In fact, men do carry a lot. But somewhere the narrative has gotten twisted in so many ways that men started believing that if I don't see her carrying something physically in the relationship, that means the woman is truly not contributing anything in the relationship. But that is not how polarity works. That is not how relationships were designed to work. That is not how the feminine and the masculine are designed to exist together. A woman actually brings a lot of things that a man cannot create for himself, which he doesn't even know he is starving for until he actually gets the right woman, the right queen in his life. So, in today's video, I really want to talk about what exactly does a woman truly bring into the relationship. So, if you're new here, I am Vesh and I'm a men's coach, and I help men heal with their traumas, attachment issues, and wounded masculinity in order for them to pursue meaningful connection with women. Now, if you want to work on enhancing your confidence and your masculine energy when it comes to you interacting with women, and also just learning how to be grounded within yourself, I have created a course. The link is something you'll find in the description box below. And if you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, you can reach out to me through Instagram, DM me the keyword coach so that I know you're reaching out to book a one-on-one consultation with me. So without any further ado, let's break down as to what exactly does a woman bring into the relationship. And before we get into the video, one thing I really want to tell you guys is never go in front of a woman and ask her what she truly brings to the table, because this is the highest form of disrespect you can actually do towards a woman when you are in a relationship or when you are even going out on dates as well. That's why I am here trying to explain all these things to you guys so that you can observe these things in a woman instead of going and asking her, what do you bring to the table? Because that's the highest form of disrespect you can throw in front of a woman. So, the first thing a good woman truly brings into a man's life is she is completely able to regulate his nervous system. The feminine energy has a very healing presence, especially the hands of a feminine. If she is grounded within herself, if she is emotionally contained, if she is in her power, if she has a lot of self love and self worth for herself, if she's worked on healing herself, her energy starts emanating a healing energy which naturally is able to regulate a man's nervous system. And men don't talk about this enough because they don't have a language to talk about this. And every man is truly fighting battles that people cannot see: expectations, provision, responsibility, trying to figure out his life, taking care of people who he loves truly, and creating that sense of direction in his life. And a good woman, a feminine woman who has a high level of self love, self worth, who is also grounded within herself, she can do something that no job, no amount of money can actually do for a man. That is basically emanating her healing energy around his nervous system. Especially after he comes back home, after he's had a hard day, and if he can spend time with his partner who truly loves him and who is really appreciative of everything that he does for her, there is no other win for a man other than this. And she can legit bring his body out of the survival mode to actually lower his cortisol levels, lower his stress levels and tension, so that his breath can deepen within himself because he is naturally relaxed in her presence, because she is that center of peace and comfort in his life. And to be honest, most men have never experienced this kind of feeling. And when they actually do experience this once and for all, it's like an exhale of a deep breath which they have been holding within themselves for so many years. The second thing a woman actually brings to the relationship is that she gives him a sense of meaning. Not motivation, but a sense of meaning to his life. And men don't chase goals to impress themselves. Masculine energy is not fueled by ambition alone, but it is fueled by a purpose, a vision that he has for himself. And a woman, she's not there to motivate him, but she gives him a deeper meaning behind his work. As I said, a sense of ambition with a purpose. Before her, he was just climbing the mountains because he wanted to reach the peak. But with her, he's actually climbing the mountain and he's more happier with that sense of devotion, with that sense of leading someone with his heart space, and also with a sense of purpose where he is actually providing meaning into someone else's life. Because men thrive when they feel needed. Anytime a man feels that he has failed his family or people who are close to him, this is where his self esteem actually takes a bigger hit. And a man with a woman who truly loves him is more driven, more directional. He is not scared to go out there and conquer anything in the world. Not because she forces him, because her presence alone awakens that part inside him where he wants to build a life with a sense of vision for his future and not just survive the present day and time. The third thing that a woman truly brings into the relationship is she is able to expand his emotional world. Men are often growing up hearing the things like men should not cry, men should not be emotional, you guys should be numb, you guys should be detached, you guys should be stoic. But oftentimes, what you're doing in this whole process is you are suppressing your emotions. Your deepest layers of emotions can only be unlocked with a woman who is conscious and who is feminine, who is not scared of your emotions because she also has a good grip on her emotions as well. Where she holds a safe space for you, for your demons to come out, your shadow aspects to come out, and she just does not accept the polished version of you, but she also accepts the version and parts of you that you are truly ashamed of. And you might not have truly accepted those parts even for yourself. A conscious woman truly gives a man those emotional colors where she shows him shades of feelings that he has never experienced before, where he is able to be vulnerable, he's able to show warmth, he's able to feel that intense sense of love, because that feeling inside your heart where there is an immense amount of love can only expand when you are with a woman who is also truly in love with you, and when you're co-creating a conscious union with each other. This is what it means to become softer inside whereas stronger outside. Just because you're connected with your emotional world, as long as you're not spilling it out there and you're contained within yourself, you become more complete as a man, because you are a man who is in touch with his strength as well as his emotions. And this makes you a balanced man where there is almost 60 to 70% masculine energy and 30 to 40% feminine energy activated within you, which can differ from time to time. And the fourth thing the woman truly brings into the relationship is she softens the warrior side of you and awakens that creative side of you as well. So, men since historic times, they've been taught to protect, to push through, to solve, to actually fight, and even they were the hunters. This aspect of you still lives in your unconscious mind. Is it active in today's modern time? No, it's not, but it's still an instinctive part of you. And this comes out now when it comes to you going and doing your job, building your business, or whatever. And when a man is always in this state, what happens is eventually he burns out and he forgets that state of play. But when you have a woman who is conscious, who is rooted in her femininity, what does she bring to your life? That sense of softness, that sense of nurturing in your life, and that sense of care, also the play aspect as well. And she truly transforms that warrior side of you into a creator side. This is why men with good wives, they end up building empires, not because she is teaching him what to do, but because she is unlocking that creative side within him. The fifth thing that women actually bring into the relationship is stability. Not outer stability, but inner stability. Men take care of the outer world, whereas women take care of the inner world. A man provides externally, but a woman provides internally. Men build homes and women build the emotional climate inside the home. And whatever you give the feminine, she multiplies it. If you give her passive energy, she's gonna multiply chaos. But if you give her that sense of stability in her life, external stability, she's gonna multiply it and form it into a sense of internal stability, which eventually contributes even into your life as well. So, men take care of the external environment, whereas women take care of the internal environment, which includes your heart and mind. And a woman brings that sense of emotional memory, she brings warmth, she brings that nurturing energy into a man's life. And without this care, without this love, a man can achieve as much money, assets, anything that he wants, but he's not going to have any meaning behind it. And no matter how much you will be in that state of avoidance, saying that you don't need a woman into your life, your deepest layers of healing truly happens with a feminine in your life, provided that she is not adding chaos into your life, but she is actually your safe space. And the next thing that she does for you is she brings you back home into yourself, and she sees that man behind the armor. She sees that man who goes out every single day, weathers the storm to take care of her. She's deeply appreciative of you. She sees the efforts that you are putting in, and she tries to contribute to your life in the little ways possible. And a woman doesn't just love a man, she sees him. She sees his potential. She should accept you for who you are right now, but she also should have the vision to see what your potential is, how far you can actually go and proceed in your life. This again ties back to what I said earlier, where she unlocks that creator side of you because she's naturally intuitive and she knows how you can scale in your life. She can also see your buried greatness. She can believe the parts of you that you don't believe in yourself. And if a woman truly tells you, hey, I believe in you and I truly know that you're going to achieve anything that you want in your life or you set your mind to, oftentimes these are the words that a man actually needs to hear to go out there and conquer the world and become his highest best version. So oftentimes a conscious woman and a feminine woman can build that sense of faith within you that can bring you back home into yourself, which can fuel your faith in yourself too. So a woman does bring a lot into a relationship, and she brings a lot into a man's life, unlike the recent narratives where men are carrying all the burden in the relationship, which is not true. Women are not just there to enjoy a princess life, but she is also there to do her duties as the feminine in the relationship. Now, which kind of woman you choose into your life, that depends on your skills to actually select your queen. And I hope seeing my videos, you have enough knowledge right now and you have the discernment to actually choose the right kind of woman into your life. So I hope this episode was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.